Hello everyone, this video will guide you through setting up your IOT-G65 indoor LoRaWAN gateway. First, let's get the hardware installed. Screw the fiberglass antenna onto the connection stud using a clockwise rotation. IOT-G65 support 802.3 AF, standard PoE. You can power it using PoE switch or adapter. Simply connect the RJ45 Ethernet cable and you're good to go. No separate power cable is needed. Now let's connect to the cloud. To access to the network server of the gateway, you need to configure your gateway to be on the same network segment as your computer. Network and Internet. Click on Ethernet. Click Edit, then select Menu. Manually assign a static IP address within the same subnet as the gateway. Open a new browser and go to the default IP address to access the network server. Log in with the default username and password, which is admin and password. Next, click on Network Server on the left side menu and enable it by checking the box under General Settings. Go to Packet Forwarder. And disable localhost. Add server forwarding with the parameters shown in the figure. And this will allow your sensor to communicate with the cloud. Let's integrate the gateway with our cloud platform. Visit remotemonitor.com. Log in with your username and password, or create a new account. Click Gateway on the left side menu. Select LoRaWAN Gateways. And click New to add your gateway. Name your gateway. And enter the gateway ID. Go back to the network server. You can find it on the Packet Forwarder under General Status. Choose the correct frequency based on the version of the G65 you got. And finally, click Confirm to complete the setup. To check your gateway online status, look at the last seen update time. And that's all you have to do to set up your IOT-G65 indoor LoRaWAN gateway. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or send us an email.